Oh, snowfall here at Sukhia Pokri. Yo, we are barely surviving.
We are
The
at
real
sub-zero
North.
temperatures at
Oh,
Sukhia Pokri right now. It's
And it's
snowing out here
snowing
and
outside.
it's windy, snowing
so
and
wind
windy.
and so breezy. And we are witnessing a rare moment. It is snowfall.
First look at this.
Just look at this.
Yes,
First snow of the season.
it is falling also.
And as you can see, it is snowing hard. How are you feeling, Devarun? It is the
Very
first snowfall of this season.
Yes, it is
And,
extremely chilled here.
It is chilly. We must admit that we are from Kolkata, but then we are enjoying this weather a lot.
So let's
We couldn't
explore.
see the sunrise. It's extremely foggy everywhere. Now we are getting ready for the selfie moment, the snow selfie. Yo! It has been continuously snowing. One, you see, all the cars are covered with thick layers of snow. Everywhere it is barely covered with white and white. You can see the road in front of me. I think the route to Manebhanjan or wherever, Sandakphu, Tamling, Tonglu, all will be blocked at this moment. So let's see what is in store for us.
Yes.
क्या नाम है आपका?
यस ना केसरी
गुड. आपको स्नो कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लगता है.
अच्छा. Good afternoon, everyone. So we are still at Sukhia Pokri, and as you see at my background, it is we are under the attack of a very heavy snowfall and a snow blizzard. So sometimes cold, chill winds are coming through. All what I can say about this place is it is very unpredictable in terms of weather. Fall of the season, and so Devarun is trying to have a dairy milk to keep himself warm amidst this extreme cold weather. It is a difficult
And we
temperature
have
for
some
us
hot water
because
in our flask as well.
we are carrying hot water in our flask. So mind you, at this bare sub-zero temperatures, we need to keep the body salts active. Bhai has again joined us, Raghu. So अब ये रघु के साथ हम लोग मिलके ये स्नोफॉल एंजॉय करेंगे. अभी तो स्नोफॉल एंजॉय कर ही रहे हैं. And now
Pulumding Road.
to
Pulumding Road.
Pulumding Road. Okay. स्नोफॉल और ये जगह पूरा बर्फ़ के चादर से ढका हुआ है। आप लोग देखिए कितना आलीशान लग रहा है ये जगह। अभी थोड़ा नीचे जाएंगे और स्नो को थोड़ा और फील एंजॉय। माय फ्रेंड्स हैव गैदर्ड हियर। वी आर कमिंग लाइव फ्रॉम सुखिया पोखरी। You won't believe, but it is snowing in the background. Guys are playing with snow, and we are having a gala time here.
Yes!
Yes! जोर पोखरी के रास्ते हम लोग चल पड़े थे। अभी ऑलमोस्ट 30 मिनट्स वॉकिंग हो गया एंड अभी आप लोग जैसे देख रहे हो पूरा बर्फ़ से ढका हुआ है और अभी हम लोग ऊपर जा रहे हैं। शुभम इज ट्राइंग टू बी स्नो माफिया बट फाइनली वी हैव conquered जोर पोखरी and we have reached the top. This area is completely covered with snow. You see here deep thick sheets of snow.
Small picture. Thank you later.
Thank you so much. I'm honored and pleased to stay here.
So we are also very honored
Oh,
to have you
okay.
here in our homestay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So
Warmth and hospitality here is like no cannot be compared to anything else.
Yeah.
इतना अच्छा हम लोगों को hospitality मिला and last में we're getting these souvenirs. It's really touching our heart. Thank you. Thank you.
Pleasure,
so
it's our
much.
pleasure.
We'll come back again.
And Mr. Devarun.
Yes, I am.
So this is
Thank
for you
you.
also.
Thank
Have a
you.
safe
Thank you
tradition.
so much.
You always welcome in our homestay.
Yes. I am also extremely pleased to get the snowfall last day.
I don't know how was your stay here, good or better, but we are trying.
It was really good.
So,
It was extremely good.
so this is for you, sir. Mr. Shubham.
Thank you so much.
So
Thank you.
we are enjoying yesterday. We always miss
Yes.
this time. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
the snowfall here was
Have a safe journey.
mesmerizing. It has been a great experience for all of us. Our stay at Rangit homestay was filled with snowfall. That was the first experience of snowfall we all had, and thanks to our host Rangit and Raghu, who helped us during our accommodation. Any things that we required, they catered to it, and really it was very warm and hospitable. To expect such hospitality here in the Himalayas, in Sukhia Pokhri, I couldn't believe. For us, it was like no other, an experience that cannot ever be repeated. Because we got the snowfall, we are really lucky.
Yes.
And we'll visit Sukhia Pokhri again with lots of love from Kolkata. I am Shubhankar, my friends Shubham and Devarun. We are really honored and pleased to stay here. We'll come back again.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank
Right now, and we are waiting for our car to take us to the next destination, which is Dhotre. Our plan for Tumbling had to be cancelled suddenly, but we haven't abandoned it completely. we'll try tumbling tomorrow because of the heavy snowfall last night. The roads got blocked, and I think till Kalipokri the road will be open by tomorrow. I think they are giving their best efforts to open the road. So definitely respecting all these things into consideration. Now we are here at Manevanjan. As you can see here, the entire city is just a junction. From here, people travel to the other destinations for their trek routes, or maybe if they have to hire a car for higher altitude travel. Snow warriors.
Snow Queen.
Snow Queen. We are waiting for our car to arrive and take us to Dhotre. Meanwhile, tumbling is for now closed, but not abandoned completely. We'll try our best tomorrow if the road gets cleared.